Hello students, welcome back to the new lecture. So students, let's learn how you can train your puppy or dog. Are you thinking of adding a new dog or puppy to your life when you like your current dog to be better behaved? Would you like to train your dog to serve your needs instead being trained to serve its needs? Attending dog classes led by a professional trainer is the best approach, but not everyone can afford classes. These tips are a good start to training your canine companion. There are many philosophies and approaches to dog training, so do your research and learn what works for you and your dog. Regardless on which approach to training your dog you take, building a good relationship with your dog is essential to being able to train effectively. So students, for treating your dog, I will tell you 13 important methods. And in this lecture, I am going to tell you the first method, and the first method is preparing for dog training. Choose a dog that fits your lifestyle. After centuries of breeding, the modern dog is one of the most varied species of animal on earth. While there's probably a dog to suit every lifestyle, not all dogs will fit your specific needs. For example, if you like to relax, you should not get a Jack Russell Terrier known for its constant barking and high energy. Instead, you might want a bulldog that would much prefer to cuddle on the couch all day. Research the personalities and care requirements of various breeds. Ask dog owners about their breed's personality. Mixed breeds are also great options as they can contain personalities of various breeds you may be interested in. Don't get an aspirational dog. Be honest with yourself about the compatibility of the dog you want with your lifestyle. Don't get a dog that needs a lot of activity just because you want a reason to jumpstart a healthier lifestyle yourself. If you can't follow through on exercising your high energy dog, you and the dog will both end up frustrated. Give your dog a practical name. He needs to be able to learn his name easily so you can hold his attention during training. The name should also have clear, hard words the dog can recognize. Names such as Buddy or Rover or BB have distinct sounds that sound or stand out from the regular flood of human speech your dog hears. Use your dog's name often when you are playing, petting him, training him, or need to get his attention. Schedule enough time for training. Initially, you should start with several 5 minutes session spread out throughout the day and go no longer than 20 minutes. This is especially important with the puppies as they have a short attention span and get bored easily, just like a toddler would. Bad dog habits develop when owners let dogs get away with bad behavior outside of dedicated training sessions. So always keep an eye on your dog outside of training sessions. If he knows it during training sessions, then make sure he remembers it outside of training. Prepare your mental state for training sessions. When you are working with your dog, be calm and neutral. Any form of agitation and excitement on your part will negatively affect the outcome of training. You should be mindful of the fact that the goal of training is to be able to reinforce dog behavior and to ignore or not reinforce bad ones. It may sound strict, but producing a well-trained dog requires the determination and conviction to see it through. Choose the proper equipment. A 6-foot leash and flat collar or multi-angle collar may be all the you need to start. Besides your treats, consult a trainer for advice on other equipment like a promise leader, head halter, a no-pull harness, a metal training collar or other device. Puppies or small dogs generally do not need harsh equipments. Larger dogs may temporarily need specialized equipment to keep their focus. So students, it was the first method for training your puppy or dog. I will tell you the second method in the next lecture. So see you in the next video.